Who wants more? Reagan? Here. Watch your hair, Reese.
Reese, what the heck? Reese, pay attention to your surroundings.
Why do you think she's not going to be able to drive? She barely do fireworks. Reese? Here. Here you go. Hayden. You want some, Reagan? Oh.
I need another.
Can you see like the...
You want another.
No, but I can see you.
Is it a middle one?
Is it a picture?
Logan, do you want another one? Here, let me get it before it burns out.
Middle ones we'll put over here.
Logan, you want another one?
Sure, why not? Me another.
Please, hold on, Reese. Let Logan's burn. Now, everybody get to the edge. Here, Reese, down here. Stop running.
I don't trust Reese.
Reese, stop.
I don't trust Reese. No.
Logan. Watch out for Grandpa, Logan. Don't let it blow on him.
I know. Hey, back away. Back away from the
Wait, can I have one?
Yeah, but I gotta light it with something. Here.
Okay, I'll light it. How can you have fun with this?
I don't know. Right
Super fun. Reese, watch out.
I'm trying to light it.